Hey guys, just a quick one here at looking at how to do a continuity test with this lap clamp meter or any similar clamp meter like it, right? So first off, just remember you've got to actually put the batteries in the back panel. They screw in, so that's a little bit annoying, but whatever. Now, then I've got my red cable into the red colored socket and black into black, right? So it's pretty obvious that. Don't worry about the names. You can see they come out. Then the continuity setting, right? So just turn it, and I've got it on. That's fine, but it's the sound symbol you're looking for. Okay, so in this case, it's down here. You can see the sound, but if you touch something, it's not going to get any sound. So if I press cell, then you could see the sound symbol on here as well. So let me toggle back through. It starts off, I don't know what this is. I'm just getting used to this thing, but the cell then toggles the sound. And so if I touch these, now they went in. Just make sure they were in properly. If these two touch, then you can hear the sound and see the readings. Again, very hard to show with one hand, but you hear the sound and the readings go, so you know they've gone through. I got this from Screwfix in the UK. You can also then use the clamp on existing power cables, but that's a continuity test with this lap digital multimeter. Check out more videos here. Got a link to this down below if you'd like to get one of these. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.